We're now going to do the next question. Give an equation of a line perpendicular. Now this is very important, grade 11s and 12s. Give an equation of a line. We're now changing the question. So instead of we saying parallel, we're now saying perpendicular. So we're changing the symbol. We're now going to say 90 degrees to BC. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So perpendicular to BC, passing through, let's choose another point. Let's choose -2 and 3. And we'll give you another 5 marks for that. So can you see how all these marks are building up your total mark component for analytics? Okay, so let's get started. So again, the line that's in question is line BC. The line that's in question is line BC. So here goes, we're keeping BC there. Y is equal to -5 over 8x. Line BC, what do we have? -7 over 4. That is BC's equation. The new line, the new perpendicular line, the new 90-degree line. What did we say from our toolbox? For 90-degree lines, the gradient of the one line multiplied by the gradient of the other line must equal to -1. It must equal to -1. So the old line is -5 over 8. So obviously your new line will be, if your old one is negative, your new one will be positive. If the old gradient is 5 over 8, the new one will be 8 over 5, x plus c. Okay, we change the sign and flip the fraction. Change the sign and flip. So for 90-degree lines, it's not, we know that the m of line 1 multiplied by the m of line 2 must equal to -1. So we change the sign and flip the fraction. So here goes. We change the sign. The old one was negative, the new one is positive. There we go. Negative, positive. This one's 5 over 8. That one would be 8 over 5. Why? Because if I took -8 over 5 and I multiplied it by positive 8 over 5, 5 over 8, negative 5 over 8, multiplied by 8 over 5, I must get -1 for perpendicular lines. So here goes. Y is equal to 5 over 8x plus c. We now got a new point, -2 and 3. So we got 3 is equal to 8 over 5. X is -2 plus c. So 3 is equal to -16 over 5 plus c. C is equal to 3 plus 16 over 5. Therefore, c is equal to 3 plus 16 over 5. Go to our calculators. 3 plus fraction 16 over 5. We now get 31 over 5. So there we go, 31 over 5. We now take the 31 over 5 and we plug it back into that equation. Your final answer for your perpendicular equation is y is equal to 8 over 5x plus 31 over 5. Okay, boys and girls, there we go. You got yourself another 5 marks. So we found parallel lines. We found a perpendicular line. For parallel lines, the gradients are equal. For perpendicular lines, the product of the gradients are equal to -1. So you change the sign and you flip the fraction. Okay, let's give you one more. And let's give you something now to think about. I'm going to give you the last question from here before we cut for our ad break. Let's put down a question here for you and let's see whether you can do this. Give me, okay, I want, okay, let's just see. Give me the midpoint of AC. And that is only worth 4 marks. Boys and girls, you've got 3 minutes during our ad break to answer that question. The midpoint, use your midpoint formula, plug in the values. When we get back for our final segment for the day, we will then continue with the show. Enjoy your break.